Once upon a time in a quiet village, there lived an old farmer. He had 3 sons who were always fighting with each other. They argued about everything, chores, food, even who would sit where. The farmer tried many times to stop them, but they never listened. They would shout, push, and fight every single day. One morning, the farmer had an idea. He called all his sons and said, "Sons, I have something to show you. Bring me a bundle of sticks." The boys looked confused but obeyed. They gathered a bunch of dry sticks and tied them together with a rope. The farmer handed the bundle to his eldest son and said, "Try to break this." The eldest son squeezed and twisted the bundle, but it didn't break. Then the second son tried. He grunted and groaned, but the sticks stayed strong. Even the youngest son, who was the strongest of all, couldn't break it. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave each of them a single stick. "Now try," he said. "Snap! Snap! Snap!" Each boy easily broke his stick in half. The farmer looked at them and smiled. "Do you understand now?" he said gently. "When you fight and stand alone, you are weak. But if you stay together like the bundle of sticks, no one can break you." The boys finally understood their father's lesson. From that day on, they stopped fighting and began helping each other, working as a team and living happily together. Unity is strength. Alone we are weak, but together we are strong. Subscribe now for more fun and inspiring stories.